Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best rice cooker available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products mentioned, check these links in the description. Number 5. Black Plus Decker Rice Cooker. 6-cup capacity. Prepare anywhere from 1 to 6 cups of cooked rice. Great for small or large meals and for leftovers. Edel listed. Automatic keep warm. The rice stays ready for serving. The rice cooker automatically switches to the keep warm function after cooking is complete. Non-stick rice pot. The non-stick rice pot is completely removable for easy dishwasher cleanup. Food steaming basket. The included food steaming basket lets you make healthy meals with vegetables, fish, and more. Measuring cup and spoon included. The measuring cup makes it easy to cook the perfect amount of rice, and the plastic serving spoon prevents accidental scratches to the non-stick rice pot. Number 4. Aroma Rice Cooker. Multifunctional use. Whether you are in the mood for a hearty jambalaya, themed veggies and rice, or even a fluffy cake, you can accomplish it all with your rice cooker. The possibilities are as creative as you are, nutritious and delicious. The built-in steam function allows for nutrient-rich meals to be prepared above while rice, soup, or any other meal simultaneously cooks below, allowing you to save time without sacrificing quality. Slow cook function. This multi-cooker not only includes all of your favorite cooking options like cooking rice and grains, but also possesses the slow cook function that allows meals to simmer low and slow. User-friendly programming. This product is a proud member of our set it and forget it mentality. It's incredibly simple to operate using our user-friendly digital panel that switches to keep warm mode automatically once cooking is finished. XL capacity. 20-cup capacity yielding 4 to 20 cups of cooked rice. Its large capacity can house small individual meals, prepare sizable family meals, and it is also great for entertaining. Number 3. NutriBullet Rice Cooker. A 10-cup cooking pot accommodates up to 5 dry scoops of rice or grains at a time. The included steaming basket can be stacked on top of grains for simultaneous cooking or used on its own with the steam program. Built to last, the Evergreen cooker is made from durable plastic with a non-stick coated, FOA-free cooking pot. Accessories are all made from durable, dishwasher-safe plastic. 5 presets. Presets for brown rice, white rice, quinoa and oats, plus a grains function for more exotic selections. Care and cleaning. Clean all parts with warm, soapy water. All parts are dishwasher safe except a non-stick cooking pot. Wipe cooker base clean with a damp cloth. On your own time. Delay start and keep warm programs let you control cook times and enjoy according to your schedule. One cooker, every grain. From easy, nutritious salads to dinner time staples, we've created a variety of delicious recipes for any craving. Number 2. Instant Pot Rice Cooker. 7-in-1 functionality. Pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, and food warmer. Quick one-touch cooking. 13 customizable smart programs for pressure cooking ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Cook fast or slow. Pressure cook delicious one-pot meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods, or slow cook your favorite traditional recipes, just like Grandma used to make. Quick and easy cleanup. Fingerprint resistant, stainless steel sides, and dishwasher safe. Lid, inner pot, and accessories. Great for growing families. Cook for up to 6 people, perfect for growing families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles. Versatile inner cooking pot. We use food-grade stainless steel, a tri-ply bottom for more even cooking, and perfect for sautéing. Number 1. Cuckoo Rice Cooker. Multifunctional. Features a versatile multi-cook function that allows you to prepare everything from oatmeal to quinoa amongst 13 other menu options such as white rice, baba rice, porridge, scorched rice, sticky rice, baby food, reheat, and more. Kitchen staple. From small family gatherings to entertaining a few guests, this rice cooker provides the perfect serving amount with a large 12-cup capacity. Easy to use. Effortlessly create meals with features like user-friendly digital controls, a modern LCD display, an included rice measuring cup for precise measuring, and fuzzy logic technology that is designed to cook rice flawlessly every time. Premium quality. Featuring a non-toxic non-stick inner pot with superior durability, an auto-clean function that steam cleans the interior of your cooker, and a removable excess water drainage tray. Cooking and cleanup are a breeze. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.